Modular prefab steel construction is booming. Steel beams and columns are prefabricated and lifted into place on site. But back at the factory, welding, grinding, and coating still run as three island lines that don't connect. The legacy approach: weld in one bay, truck to another for grinding, truck again for coating, 3 transfers, 3 refixturings, each costing cycle time and quality. This turnkey line strings the 3 stations on one conveyor: a robotic welding cell, a robotic grinding station, an automated coating booth. The part is fixtured once and runs the whole sequence. On the welding end, dual-axis positioners and travel rails work together. Beams are covered along their length by the rail, columns flip on the positioner. The welding cell scales to up to 16 external axes. On grinding, a constant force-compliant head smooths weld crown, spatter, and burrs in one pass, without relying on hand-eye consistency. On coating, the program loads the right paint recipe by part variant. Primer, top coat, and bake cycle sync with the upstream stations so the line never stalls. 3 results follow. The line displaces 4 to 6 welders and grinders, transfers drop from 3 to 0, and seam consistency steps up across the whole sequence. Scaling prefab steel construction isn't opening another welding bay. It's stringing welding, grinding, and coating into one line. This is EVST. We turn industrial robots, travel rails, and welding positioners into a turnkey line.